To make it successfully through this course, there are necessary tools and skill sets that need to be in place. First, let's talk about system requirements. You need a 64-bit computer, either Mac or Windows, and it must have virtualization enabled. Some of these machines are virtualization enabled already, but to be sure, you can Google how to enable virtualization for your specific computer as the process varies. The purpose of having virtualization enabled is to be able to create virtual machines on your computer. Your computer needs a minimum of 8 GB of RAM installed on it and a minimum of 60 GB of free storage space. All of the hardware requirements are mainly to be able to create and work with virtual machines effectively on your computer. Next, let's talk about the knowledge requirements. We are going to work with a Django application, so familiarity with the framework is useful but not required as long as you can follow instructions. Note that I will not walk you through building a Django application from scratch. So if you are interested in building Django apps, you will have to learn it outside this course. Familiarity with Git is useful but not a problem if you are not familiar with it. A section is dedicated to introducing to you some common Git commands that you will need to complete the course successfully. But to become a Git expert, you will need to learn outside the course. Knowledge of Linux command lines is very useful because more than half of the time we will be using command lines. If you don't know it, you can still take the course, but make sure you learn it properly outside the course. You can't even survive in the field without a good knowledge of it. And most importantly, interest in the topic. You must be interested in anything before you can make anything good out of it. So that is it about the prerequisite for this course. Let's continue in the next episode.